Landmark evidence law cases shape legal practice by clarifying evidentiary standards and principles. Understanding these cases is crucial for law students and professionals. This presentation will explore pivotal cases, examining their judgments and implications, starting with the significance of dying declarations in State of UP versus Rajesh Gautam. State of Uttar Pradesh versus Rajesh Gautam, 2003, addressed the evidentiary value of dying declarations. The Supreme Court ruled that a truthful and voluntary dying declaration can independently lead to conviction, emphasizing its significance under Section 32. This case clarified that corroboration is not necessary if the declaration is credible and consistent. Pakala Narayana Swamy vs. Emperor, 1939, expanded Section 32(1) by including written documents as dying declarations. The Privy Council ruled that statements explaining the cause or circumstances of death are admissible, broadening the scope beyond verbal declarations. This case significantly impacted the understanding of admissible evidence in determining the cause of death. Satpal Singh v. State of Haryana, 2010, examined dowry death presumptions. The court ruled that if cruelty is proven, abetment can be presumed under Sections 113A and 113B. This case significantly bolstered legal protections for women, ensuring that statutory presumptions are effectively applied in dowry-related cases, thereby enhancing accountability for perpetrators. Selvi v. State of Karnataka, 2010, addressed involuntary confessions, where the Supreme Court ruled against their admissibility without consent. This decision reinforced the protection against self-incrimination, emphasizing that techniques like narcoanalysis and polygraph tests violate Article 23 unless freely consented to, thus safeguarding individual rights in legal proceedings. State of Rajasthan versus Kashi Ram, 2006, emphasized the necessity of proof beyond reasonable doubt in criminal trials. The court ruled that circumstantial evidence alone is insufficient for conviction, underscoring the high standard required. This case reaffirmed the gold standard of criminal proof, ensuring that mere suspicion cannot replace concrete evidence in securing a conviction. R.M. Malkani v. State of Maharashtra, 1973, marked a pivotal moment in evidence law by introducing electronic evidence. The Supreme Court ruled that tape recordings are admissible if authenticated, relevant, and untampered. This case significantly broadened the scope of admissible evidence, paving the way for the inclusion of electronic evidence in criminal trials. Nandini Satpathy vs. P.L. Danny, 1978, underscored the right to silence, affirming that an accused can refuse to answer self-incriminating questions during interrogation. This case emphasized the necessity of voluntariness in confessions, reinforcing the protection against self-incrimination under Sections 161, 162 Criminal Procedure Code and 2425 of the Evidence Act. State of Bombay versus Kathy Kalu Ogad, 1962, addressed the partial admissibility of confessions. The court ruled that only the portion of a confession leading to the discovery of a fact is admissible under Section 27. This landmark decision clarified the discovery rule, significantly impacting how confessional statements are evaluated in legal proceedings. Sharad Burdachan, Sarda vs. State of Maharashtra, 1984, established a critical 5-point test for convictions based on circumstantial evidence. This case underscored the necessity for a comprehensive and conclusive chain of evidence, ensuring that all links point unequivocally to the accused's guilt. It remains a cornerstone in evaluating circumstantial evidence in legal practice. Zahira Habibullah Sheikh vs. State of Gujarat, 2006, highlighted the critical need for witness protection in ensuring fair trials. The case underscored the importance of independent prosecution, as key witnesses turned hostile under pressure. This landmark decision advocated for robust measures to safeguard witnesses, significantly impacting the legal framework for witness protection. These landmark cases have profoundly shaped evidence law, reinforcing principles like the value of dying declarations, protection against self-incrimination, and the necessity of witness protection. They underscore the evolving nature of legal practice and highlight the importance of continued study to understand their implications fully.